Yeah, hi, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be looking at a app called Instant Recall. I'm going to be doing a full review of it. I'm going to show you whether it is possible to go and earn $5,500 every single month just by downloading this free app. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this. I'm going to go through exactly what you have to do, how you need to do it, and also how you can then show you how you can then go and earn over $5,500 very simply by downloading this app. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go through this Instant Recall app and how you can actually earn money with it. Now, before we do that, I'm going to go through a few things, explain exactly what the app is all around, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and earn money by going inside the app and showing you exactly what you have to do. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. But also remember, you can't get this app unless you've actually been referred. So what I'll do, I'll actually put a referral link in the description below here. If you want to go and click on it at any time, then feel free to do so. And I've also got a referral code here that you can actually use, so make sure you put that code in as well. Because now we've all got apps already on our phones, tablets and other mobile devices. So with a lot of these apps, what they are doing, they are gathering our data. Okay, now it's not our personal data, it's not our name, our email or a telephone number or anything like that, but it's our data all to do with location. With this information, these companies are basically getting this information that could be through the whole of the world, and then they are getting this data and they are selling it to third parties, to marketing companies, to big companies that want this data. This is anonymous data. Like I say, it's nothing to do with where you live or anything like that. All it is giving away is a location. That is exactly what the Instant Recall app does as well. It gives away your location. You are going to be giving away your location. Now, if you don't want to give away your location, like I say, you're already doing it on probably majority of the apps that are actually on your phone anyway, just that you're not being told about it. But now, the Instant Recall app, what it's basically going to do is actually going to share the revenue. And I'm going to tell you later exactly how you're going to earn the money through this. But all you need to do is obviously download the app and then activate it and activate your location. So basically everywhere you go, your phone is able to obviously send out a location. Now this is great as well, because with the app you can then obviously get a recall notifications about what food you liked in a particular place. So if you went to a pub on holiday or even locally and you think, oh, that was a lovely pub, you can then stick a pin in there, get the location, write a little notification about it and say, this was I had this meal here. So then if you want to recall that at a later date, you can then go and do that within the app. That's how it works, okay? So that's all you're doing with the app. So you're using it. Now, first of all, the app is free to download. You don't have to put anything, no credit card details, no debit card details in at all anywhere. There is no money. It is free 100%. And I'll say again, you're not going to be giving away any of your personal information here, guys, either. Yes, you do obviously have to put your mobile number in there, and you do have to put your email in there to obviously sign up, which you do with anything online. So that is nothing different there. But of course, if you don't want to give this information away, then click away now. Just move away off this video, because this isn't for you guys, and you're not going to know how to get the benefit out of the actual app, the monetary side of it, which I'm going to explain a bit later. But it's not something that's going to be for you if you are worried about that. Like I say, you've got apps on your phone and mobile devices now that are actually selling this data to companies that are buying it over and over again. And that's basically how Instant Recall are actually going to create the income for you. But more on that a bit later. So let's quickly go into who is behind the Instant Recall app. This is a guy called Paul Schneider, and he actually puts himself on video. He's done a Q&A recently where he's answering different questions about the app and how it's going to work and how and when it's going to start generating income for everybody. So I'll put a link in the description below here with this actual video, so you can then find out more about it. And remember, I'll also put a link to the actual app of where you can go and get that with a referral invite code as well that you can use to download the app. And remember, it's free to download, guys. Now, if you're looking for more information, feel free to obviously click the link below. This is actually going to take you to this page here. Okay, now this page here, it says here, earn $5,000 per month to share our 100% app free, which is what I've also been saying there. So you've got a video there which explains exactly how it is. You've also got another presentation here, and you've also got 2 steps. One step is to download the app. So you just click on this button here, download the app. And the second one is you need to obviously find your referral code here in the Instant app, which I'm going to show you. So let's dive into the app while we're here now, and I'll show you more about exactly how it works. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto my phone and we just hit the Instant Recall app here, and that'll obviously open up as normal. And as you can see here, this will give you a map and locations. Okay, so very, very easy, very simple to use, just like it uses Google Maps. They will be taking your data and obviously selling it to other people. But what Instant Recall are going to do, they are going to do it on our behalf. So basically what that means is they are going to give us an amount back every month for sharing data. Okay, now you're going to get $1 back every single month for sharing data. Now, straight away, I know what you're saying, $1 a month. Well, how is that give me $5,000 a month? Stay with me. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. This is how the app works. You've got an instant, add an Instant Recall button here. So you can add an actual location and that sort of thing. And you can put in the name, the enter and a comment. You can add photos, you can add a video. That then stores it actually in the app. You can also add a reminder as well, so you can remind about a date or something like that. So it's good for adding reminders. It's obviously got settings in here as well. And as you can see with the settings here, it says share with friends, add referral. Okay, so if you click on share with friends, obviously this gives you the ability then just to share it through Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And this is where the power comes for sharing and using your referral code, which you can obviously apply in this actual box here. What happens is when you actually refer someone to the app to download it, you're going to get some points up in this top right-hand corner. I'm currently on 0 points because I haven't referred anybody and I haven't even started using the app. I've just gone through it myself to give you this video. So you're going to get 20 points for every person that actually downloads the app that you refer. Now, for every 20 points, you're going to get $1. So for argument's sake, if I referred just 10 people, 10 friends, family, other people that were interested in possibly earning some money from this app, then you're going to get obviously $10 every single month for doing that. And there's nothing you need to do. All you need to do is just keep the app live on your phone. That's all you have to do. Now, the beauty of this is obviously they pay down 4 levels. So in other words, if those 10 people go and get 10 people, you still get $1 per person that is live from your friends' friends. Okay. And then after that, once you go further down on level 3, you get 50 cents, and level 4 you get 50 cents. So you can see where I'm coming from, guys. This is how it's going to absolutely explode, and you're going to get a massive amount of money per month. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you've got any questions, obviously put them in the comments below and I'll try and help you with those. If you do like this video, obviously smash up the like button for us as well. Make sure you share the video as well so that other people can see what a great opportunity this may be. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell because I'll be doing further updates on this Instant Recall app, and you'll be able to get them notified exactly when I do those. So make sure you do that, and we will see you on the next video.